Hey guys, Tajreen here. Every fourth Friday, I'll be doing a new video series where I'll take a short, deep dive into a single photo and talk about an idea, a technique, or how the photo came to be. Welcome to Photo Breakdown. Today, I'm talking about this light painting Chloe and I shot in Joshua Tree, which was really the first proper light painting we've ever done. Light paintings are basically long exposure photos where you use trails of light to draw within an image as it exposes. The circumstances of this one were kind of crazy. We had just shot an event that day and had a late start the next morning, so we decided to venture into the park in the middle of the night to shoot some night sky stuff. It was freezing and we didn't bring our jackets, but there's a moment where you're shivering and staring up at the sky where everything else just falls away. It was pretty cool.
Check it out. This is where we are.
It is 11:16 p.m.
Pitch black.
And,
Anyway, light painting is really easy in concept but tough in execution. We used a tripod, a cell phone for the light, a remote trigger to avoid camera shake, and it's also a good idea to have a headlamp or a powerful flashlight to compose your shot and easily adjust settings on your camera. We didn't have either of those, so Chloe was basically bushwhacking in the dark because that's a totally safe and cool thing to do. These are some raw photos of our early attempts. We quickly realized that the spill from the light can drastically change an image and that we should compose the shot first and then figure out the lighting. Deciding what movements looked best really came down to trial and error and a lot of running around on Chloe's part. One thing that was surprisingly difficult was nailing the focus. I don't like using my main cameras right before a big event, so I was shooting on my trusty old Nikon D90 and using the LCD screen, which went about as well as you'd expect focus pulling on a 9-year-old camera in the dark would go. I had Chloe shine her flashlight at the tree, letting me pull focus until I could clearly see the bark. It was tedious, but it worked. Definitely try light painting if you haven't. It's so easy and so much fun, and definitely go lie by the side of the road at midnight in Joshua Tree because it's as close to outer space as you'll ever get. Thanks for watching. Tell us in the comments below the craziest thing you've ever done for a photo, and subscribe if you haven't already because we'll be back next week with another tutorial.